Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Tiger Vanguard. First, open your director and navigate to the Vanguard Operations playlist. Select this activity to begin. Make sure your character's power level is sufficient for the recommended difficulty. For the easiest method, always choose the standard difficulty option. This ensures a smooth and manageable experience for all players. To make your Vanguard runs efficient, prioritize completing the main objectives rather than clearing every single enemy. Sticking close to your fire team is crucial. It ensures you share progress and can revive each other quickly. Don't hesitate to use your most powerful abilities and supers often, as they recharge quickly in these activities. This strategy helps you finish strikes faster. To maximize your rewards, always pick up bounties from Commander Zavala in the tower before starting your Vanguard activities. These provide extra experience and resources upon completion. Additionally, equip a Vanguard-themed Ghost mod to gain bonus experience from every enemy defeated. Focus on increasing your Vanguard reputation ranks to unlock powerful gear and unique items. For even better results, consider using the in-game Fireteam Finder to connect with other players, ensuring smoother runs and better coordination. Maintaining a Vanguard streak by completing multiple activities consecutively significantly increases your chances for enhanced rewards. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Keep practicing, and you'll master the Vanguard playlist in no time, earning all the rewards you desire.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.